KOHO, spend like a boss? Unpacking spending limits. Ever dreamed of swiping your card with reckless abandon, no budgeting blues in sight? Maybe you've stumbled upon KOHO, the prepaid MasterCard promising financial freedom. But before you unleash your inner high roller, a crucial question lingers. Does KOHO have spending limits? Context and problem. Look, prepaid cards can be a budgeting game changer. Load it up, spend what you have, and avoid the credit card debt trap, right? But some cards sneak in sneaky limitations, leaving you stranded at checkout. So, what about KOHO? Can you truly go wild, or are there hidden restrictions waiting to pounce? Introducing KOHO's limits. Let's break it down. KOHO doesn't have a single, hard spending limit. Instead, it operates with a multi-layered system, giving you flexibility without going overboard. Here's the breakdown. Daily transaction limits. This is your daily spending cap. Swipe that card for a whopping $9,000 in 24 hours. That's enough for a spontaneous shopping spree or a hefty car repair. Daily ATM limits. Need cash? KOHO lets you withdraw up to $1,010 per day. Not bad for a quick ATM run. Deeper dive, understanding the nuances. Now, there's a catch, isn't there always? These limits are rolling, meaning they reset every 24 hours for transactions and daily for ATM withdrawals. So, you can't max out your ATM today and expect another $1,010 tomorrow. KOHO also has a monthly total load limit, the maximum amount you can add to your account in 30 days. This sits at a hefty $200,000, so unless you're a high roller with serious cash flow, you likely won't hit this limit. KOHO versus the competition. How does KOHO stack up? Compared to some prepaid cards with a daily limit of a measly $5,000, KOHO's $9,000 is impressive. It offers more breathing room for those unexpected expenses. But remember, limits are there for a reason. KOHO might be tempting for a spending spree, but responsible budgeting is still key. KOHO limits and you. So, how do these limits affect you? Here's the good news. For most everyday purchases, KOHO's limits are generous. You can comfortably shop, dine, and handle most bills without any issues. The real value lies in the peace of mind. Knowing your spending is capped helps avoid overspending and potential debt. Plus, KOHO's transparency regarding limits allows you to plan your finances effectively. KOHO limits, not a deal breaker. Now, if you're a frequent high spender or need to make a massive one-time purchase, KOHO's limits might feel restrictive. In that case, a traditional credit card with a higher spending limit might be a better fit. But remember, credit cards come with the risk of accumulating debt. Use them wisely. KOHO limits. KOHO's spending limit system offers a great balance between flexibility and responsible spending. The high daily transaction limits cater to most needs, while the rolling nature encourages mindful budgeting. Conclusion. So, KOHO doesn't have a single spending limit, but its multi-layered approach provides ample room for most spending needs. It prioritizes responsible budgeting without feeling overly restrictive. Call to action. Is KOHO the right fit for you? Consider your spending habits and financial goals. If you value control and clear spending boundaries, KOHO could be a perfect match. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and spend wisely.